Our channel, Your Salesforce Buddy. My name is Pratik Mistry, and today we are showing you how to download and install DataLoader in your Windows or macOS operating system. So, quick steps here. You can see I have laid out some installation guidelines. Again, you can find this online as well, but feel free to follow along. I feel these videos are very helpful for someone who is new to Salesforce or someone who's new to data loader downloading. So, uh, step one is we have some links here that you can visit. For data loader, we do need a Java runtime environment in our system, which is 17 or latest, or after 17. And it is true for both Windows and Mac operating system. And then you want to download the data loader version. I would always recommend downloading the latest version. Right now, we have the Winter 25 version out there. So feel free to download both. And then once you download the zip file, you want to extract them and store it in your uh, on your computer, and then you want to run uh, the the command prompt or terminal to launch data loader. So let's go ahead and do the steps. So first is when you want to visit the instructions link, which is right here. I have it open on my browser. So this is the link. I will be putting the link in the description and all the installation guidelines. So feel free to use from there as well. Uh, so this is the first link where we have all the instructions laid out. Salesforce does provide you some links to install Java runtime environment. You can use that, or you can use the one that I have in my description. The one that I have is for uh, to download Java from Oracle. Uh, I will put in the link for both Windows and Mac OS. So here we have the link for Windows. I will be downloading the zip file on my Windows. You can download the bin or MSI file. I would always recommend downloading the zip file, so you don't have to do it twice. And then same thing, there is a Mac OS file link as well. I would go with the DMG installer or compressed archive file. It's your choice. And then so let's go ahead and download uh, the Java JDK 22. Uh, so when you click on it, the download starts automatically. I am re-downloading it, but I already have it in the system. So if I go to my downloads real quick, okay. So if I go to my downloads, just going to delete this one, but I do have the data loader and the JDK file installed. Feel free to install in your system, and you want to run the zip file and extract it. So let's go ahead and extract it. I'm going to extract the file. You can extract anywhere, but I'm going to extract to my C drive, program files. It'll take a couple of seconds to finish the installation. And then same thing, uh, once that is done, you want to visit the data loader link from Salesforce. It will be there in the description. As I said, I'm going to download the Winter 25 release. So once you click on it, the download should start automatically, and then you should see in your downloads folder or wherever your download comes to. So I have it downloaded, the zip file. I'm going to extract that too. So I'm going to run this one, and then I'm going to extract to my C program files. Windows does ask if you trust this file or not, and then you want to store it there. All right, so once these are done, then you can open your files. So I will go to my Windows C drive where I install the files. So here we have the JDK. All right, so I did download the data loader. It came out as separate files, which is fine. You want the bat file for Windows, and then you need the command file for Mac OS. So let's run the bat file. It should run your terminal or your command prompt. All right, so we have the data loader file, we have the JDK file both installed, and then let's go ahead and open the data loader. We would run the install.bat file, batch file basically for the command for Windows, and the command file for Mac OS. So I'm going to run the bat file. So quickly the terminal opens and data loader does verify whether you have Java JRE 17 or later. Um, Once it does the verification, it will ask you, do you want to install it at the same location? You can say yes or no. I'm just going to say yes. Sometimes it takes a couple of seconds. So once done, the system will ask you, do you want to create a desktop shortcut? It's your choice. I use DataLoader a lot, so I'm going to say yes. And then it's going to ask you, do you want to create a start menu shortcut? Again, for Mac OS, it might be different. So just follow along and you should be good. Once it completes the installation process, then it'll automatically open the data loader, uh, and you should be able to perform your operations. All right. Uh, Thank you for watching through. And then if you wish to see more videos, learn about Salesforce, do subscribe to our channel and follow along. Thank you.